all the participants of the 108 Kundi Gayatri Mahayagya at Long Island, New York. I congratulate all of you, and I convey on behalf of the whole Shantikund Gayatri Tirth Haridwar my gratitude to all of you for spreading the knowledge of Gayatri through Gayatri Gyan Kendra, through the children who will be participating in this particular program. This is for the first time that you are organizing this event, and this is for the first time that this event is being organized in New York's Long Island area. And I presume that by this particular function, the children who are participating, their parents who are participating, and all the Gayatri disciples who are participating, they will be understanding the importance of, in real sense, the worshipping Gayatri or the Gayatri Maha Mantra, the Mantra Shakti, the power of syllables and the resonance, all these things, how they bring changes in our body physiology, our system, our inner capacity, our building up the inner capacity. All these things will be told to you in a due period of time, in 2 days, when this program will be organized. The yajna is supposed to be the righteous action, and Gayatri is supposed to be the pure knowledge, righteous knowledge. One is knowledge, one is karma, that is the action. If the action and the knowledge, they are together, then everything starts happening in the day-to-day life. This particular event will tell you the importance of the sanctity of the various karmas, how you should perform your actions, and how your action should be submitted to the offering, should be to the Lord's feet. Whatever we are doing, it should be surrendered to the God. That is known as Nishkam Karma, that is without any attachment to the action. Whatever we do, it has some attachment, that this is I am doing for this particular reason, this I am doing for this particular wish, this I am doing for this particular motive. Without any motive, if you do certain actions, they are known as yajna, if you understand the definition. And in India, we are celebrating right now Mal Mas, Adhik Mas, which is the Bhadrapad Mas, and there are all around everywhere the yajnas being held. In Shantikund every day there are about more than 5 to 10,000 people who are participating in the yajna. This particular process of yajna makes us pious, makes us sanctified, and makes us full of virtues. This particular thing, if the children at this young age, when they are studying in your Gayatri Gyan Kendra, they will understand it. Then they will perhaps, when they will get older and older, when they will go to the schools and colleges, then they will start understanding why we should practice it in day-to-day life. Every week, whenever you get time, Sunday, do it in your home by Agnihotra, doing Agnihotra, or by doing a yajna, small in a yajna kund. And if you cannot do it, practice it in your day-to-day life by unattached action. In yajna, we are offering our ahutis, our sacred oblations, to the Gayatri Mahashakti through Sun God. Gayatri's God is Sun, that is why Sun God. And you know the importance of Sun, how important is Sun in our day-to-day life. But the Sun's spiritual part, we are offering our whatever are our feelings, our wishes to Sun God, and that is through Gayatri Mantra. Gayatri is the pure knowledge, righteous actions are to be performed through righteous knowledge. And righteous knowledge, the meaning through which the Gayatri Mahamantra is explained is Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tassavitruvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Each and every vowel, each and every word, each and every syllable has its meaning, and they are interwoven together in such a way that the mantra, when it is recited, it creates vibrations, it creates resonance, it creates a combined recitation by all of you will definitely create the vibrations in the atmosphere, and those vibrations will bring a lot of gifts in the form of blessings from the godly powers. This 108 Kundi Gayatri Mahayagya, I wish that this becomes successful, and this results in the formation of your center, which you are wishing, which I am also wishing. I have visited this center last year, and I wish that the lecture which I delivered last year in the school becomes a reality, and there is a real, in a real sense, a center there in New York. We have one center in New Jersey. Let us have a center in New York, because New York is a very big state, and if we have a center in Long Island, then definitely this will give a virtuous gift to the all the people who are living in that particular state, and all the students, they will be becoming a part of it, and gradually we will start running many activities in the center. So, this particular event which you are organizing on 8th September will become definitely a very important one. I wish my best, all my best wishes from this particular center, which is the headquarter of Gayatri Parivar, which is the fountainhead of the 21st century, and from where all the saintly powers are sending their blessings to all of you.